great Indian scientist, leader, and writer. I was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. I worked as a scientist in CRDO and ISRO. I wrote the famous book Wings of Fire. I was the 11th President of India. I am popularly known as the Seaman of India. I got highest honor award, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. I played an important role in the Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. I am an
Inspiration.
inspiration for students